Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine a creature so enormous that it weighed as much as 9 adult Asian elephants combined. A giant longer than a blue whale with a neck that could reach high into the trees, living over 100 million years ago. Scientists have just announced the discovery of Southeast Asia's largest dinosaur ever, and they're calling it the last titan. Today we're diving deep into the incredible story of Nagatitan chaiyaphumensis. About 10 years ago, near the edge of a pond in Chaiyaphum province, northeastern Thailand, local villagers and dinosaur hunters spotted something unusual: giant bones sticking out of the rock. Over the years, researchers from Thailand and University College London carefully excavated the site. They pulled out vertebrae from the spine, ribs, parts of the pelvis, and impressive leg bones. One front leg bone, the humerus, measured an incredible 1.78 meters long. That's taller than most adult humans. After years of detailed study, including 3D scanning, the team has officially named this new species Nagatitan chaiyaphumensis. The paper was published this week in the journal Scientific Reports. The name is beautiful. Naga comes from the legendary serpent god in Thai and Southeast Asian mythology, a powerful water-associated creature. Titan refers to the giants of Greek mythology. And chaiyaphumensis honors the province where it was found. This is now the 14th dinosaur species officially named in Thailand. So just how big are we talking? Estimates put Nagatitan at around 27 meters or 89 feet long, roughly the length of a blue whale. Its body mass is estimated between 25 to 28 tons, that's about 27 tons on average. To help you picture that, one adult Asian elephant weighs around 3 tons. This dinosaur weighed as much as 9 of them. It was likely at least 10 tons heavier than the famous Dippy the Diplodocus. However, it's still dwarfed by the absolute giants like Nagatitan, which reached 60 tons. One thing is clear: Nagatitan is the largest dinosaur ever confirmed from Southeast Asia. Nagatitan lived during the Early Cretaceous period between 100 and 120 million years ago. That's roughly 40 million years before Tyrannosaurus rex even existed. Back then, northeastern Thailand wasn't the lush landscape we see today. It was a dry to semi-dry environment with river systems. The fossil site suggests an ancient river floodplain filled with fish, freshwater sharks and crocodiles. This giant plant-eater belonged to a group called Sophospondylon titanosauriforms, and more specifically to the Euhelopodidae family, a lineage known mostly from Asia. Scientists think its long neck and tail may have helped it regulate body temperature in the warm climate like natural radiators. It probably spent its days browsing high vegetation that smaller herbivores couldn't reach, staying relatively safe from predators thanks to its sheer size. Thailand back then was a dinosaur paradise. Nagatitan shared its home with smaller plant-eaters like iguanodontians and early ceratopsians, relatives of Triceratops. Giant predators including Carcharodontosaurians, shark-toothed dinosaurs and spinosaurids. And pterosaurs soaring overhead hunting fish along the rivers. But here's what makes this discovery extra special. Nagatitan was found in Thailand's youngest dinosaur-bearing rock formation. After this period, the region turned into a shallow sea. That means younger rocks are very unlikely to contain land dinosaur fossils. This is why researchers call it the last titan of Thailand. It may represent one of the final giant sauropods to roam Southeast Asia before the landscape changed dramatically. This discovery is huge for paleontology in Southeast Asia. Thailand actually has incredibly rich dinosaur fossils, possibly the third most abundant in Asia. Yet we've only been seriously studying them for about 40 years. There's already a life-size reconstruction of Nagatitan on display at the Dinosaur Museum in Bangkok. And the team says they have many more sauropod fossils waiting to be described, possibly several new species. Lead author Thitiwut Sethapanixikul, a Thai PhD student at UCL, said, "I've always been a dinosaur kid. This study doesn't just establish a new species, it fulfills a childhood promise of naming a dinosaur." Professor Paul Upchurch from UCL also highlighted how international collaboration and modern technology like 3D scanning are helping us understand these ancient giants without constantly moving heavy fossils around the world. So what do you think? Is Nagatitan the coolest new dinosaur of 2026? Could there be even bigger ones still buried in Thailand or other parts of Southeast Asia? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a prehistoric discovery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.